Hello everyone, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to integrate Stripe payment gateway in our Angular application. So first we are going to see the demo for this. We have created three buttons. One is for $15, $25 and $35 respectively, and you can create your own currency like Indian rupee, etc. based on your requirement. And once we click on this, it will be navigated to Stripe payment gateway or checkout to stripe.com. We can show this here as well in our application. So it's taking if you see here, we got this. We have to enter the card number. So this is the test mode, so I am using all the test details, and we have to give some future date. And any 3-digit number here. If you want to click remember me, then you have to provide the phone number, so I'm not checking this. And once you click on this pay the amount, you can see it got successfully generated the Stripe token. And once we open the console, we will be able to see some details related to the user. If the payment is successful, then only you will be able to see this particular object. So this particular object consists of all the token details of Stripe payment, and you can see the payment CVC and country, brand, and you will be getting expiry year, everything related to the user and card. You can see the email address what user has given. So let us see how to do this practically in our Angular application. Now we will head back to our application VS Code. So for this I have created a project called test project. In the source folder we will be having the app, where we will be having app module.ts and app component.ts. So based on your requirement you can create separate component for this. So as of now I am creating or I am writing entire code in this app component.ts file and HTML file. So let us go to app component.html and ts. Now in this app component.html we will be creating three buttons. First I am going to create a div. In this div we are going to use some h1 tag. Angular Stripe checkout example. So we are not going to install any npm package here. Example, and after this I am going to create three buttons. In these buttons I am going to show pay some $15 or $10. We are going to see some $10. We are binding a click event. To this click event we are going to add some method. So first we will be copying this. We are showing three buttons to the user. One is $10 and one is $15 and other is $20. So once user clicks on this button, he will be a method will be called named make payment. To this method we have to send whatever user is going to click. So we have to send an argument. So if you are passing this dynamically, then you can send that amount dynamically. Sending 10, 15, and this is 20. Now once you are done, you have to save this, and let's go to app component.ts. Now I am going to write two methods here. One is invoke Stripe and other one is make payment. What we are going to call from the HTML file. Now we are going to write one method called invoke Stripe. In this invoke Stripe method, we are going to check a condition. Window.document.get element by ID. So I'm going to give this entire code in my blog, so you can go back to my blog and you can copy the code from there. Constant script equal to same window dot so we are going to use some JavaScript code here. Create element of script. So to this script we are going to add some ID dynamically. So ID is Stripe script. After this we are going to add the type to it. So script dot type equal to text slash JavaScript. After this we are going to add src. So I'm going to copy that URL here. After this is the last one, window dot document dot body dot append. So we are going to append script as a child. So once this is done, I am going to ng on init, and whenever user comes to this page or this application, this particular invoke script method will be called. So basically we are initializing this. So I have called this invoke script in this ng on init. After this I am going to create a method called make payment. So this make payment method will be called whenever user clicks on the button. Now I am going to write the code in this make payment. This make payment will take one argument. Now we have to create a variable here, const payment handler. It can be anything. Any and window dot stripe checkout. Dot configure. So we are configuring this. So we are getting some issue here. So I have to close the braces here, remove this. I will copy some code in this payment handler configuration. So I have copied this code and pasted from my local. So this is the code I have copied and pasted from my local. If you see here, this is the key what we get from the Stripe. So once you log into the Stripe, you will be getting some test key. So you can place this here, and this is the token. Once your payment is successful, it will go here, and we can log the token here and use the data, and you can show the alert or toaster messages here. Here, if you see here, you have to mention the name what you want to show on the payment gateway, and this is the description, and this is the amount what you want to show on the button. So let us save this and head back to our browser and check whether it's working or not. Once I click on this pay 10 or 15 or 20, you should be able to see the payment of Stripe. So we can enter our details. So this is the test card, any future date, and 3-digit CVC. Once I click on this pay $10, you can see it got succeeded. And if you go back to the console, you can see the object what we have got here. You can see here ID and name and all the details of the card and user. Now we have to go to this Stripe website. You can see the stripe.com. So first you have to do the sign up with this Stripe. Once you are done with the sign up, you will be able to see the login screen. As I have already done my sign up and login, you will be able to see this screen or dashboard. You can see the get your test API keys. In this you will be getting this publishable key. You have to copy this and you have to paste in your application here. I have already placed this. That is the reason our Stripe payment application is getting worked. So you have to copy that key here, and once this is done, it will be succeeded. So this is the end of this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.